Well, the brain actually has a lot of parts in it that are the things that compete with each other to make decisions. But the two big U's are the thoughtful you, that is in our conscious mind, and then the emotional you, which is in our subconscious mind. There are a lot of motivations that you probably don't even know that are subliminal, that came from maybe your early childhood or your circumstances that are below the surface. And they're at odds, they struggle with each other. So when you're like the issue of, would you like to know your weaknesses? Would you like to know what other people really think about you?
Yep.
Okay, intellectually, you would like to know those things. Emotionally, you might not like to know those things. And so when you're dealing with our environment, and you say, would you like to have this environment of radical truthfulness and radical transparency? Almost everybody intellectually says it, and when they're going through it, they say it, and you see them also struggle with their emotional selves as they're going through it until they readapt. And when they start to readapt and they say, knowing what's true is good, and yeah, now I know my weaknesses and I know what other people are thinking about me, and I can approach what to do about it, then they sort of make a transition to the other side. So we have that are two U's that lead to struggles like, you know, disagreement. You know, disagreement and finding it emotionally difficult. It's curiosity. Why shouldn't it be a joy? But we have that emotional thing that we have to struggle. So that's the two U's.